Welcome, adventurers. Get ready for the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome, a vehicle that will completely change the way you think about traveling. This is not just a van. It's a mobile microhome designed for efficiency and independence. With a 4x4 option for small off-grid excursions and strong LED lighting for optimal visibility, its exterior has a distinctive and contemporary appearance. It has a very compact and light frame. Reliable performance and fuel economy are provided by the car's highly efficient hybrid powertrain. This powertrain probably comprises of a small displacement gasoline engine and a slightly hybrid system. It skillfully combines Suzuki's adventurous nature with its pragmatic side. The well-thought-out layout and ergonomics of the dashboard are immediately apparent. Despite its small size, it has excellent visibility, and all of the controls are easily accessible. A digital instrument panel displays the vehicle's data in an easy-to-read manner. The infotainment touchscreen serves as your control center and keeps you involved and connected on every journey, thanks to wireless smartphone connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The inside of the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome is a magnificent example of spatial design. Every square inch has been carefully planned to optimize use without creating the illusion of a limited area. Because so much of its interior is composed of lightweight, long-lasting, and readily clean materials, it is perfect for a nomadic lifestyle. It is easy to change up the arrangement thanks to the modular design. It may be utilized as a professional workspace, a cozy dining area, or a place to relax with an opulent fold-out sofa. The spacious windows and gentle LED lighting provide a warm and inviting atmosphere that will make you feel at home wherever your travels take you. At night, the bedroom area of the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome turns into your own little sanctuary. An innovative convertible bed mechanism allows the seating area to be transformed into a comfortable bed for one or two persons. Some variants come with a pop-up roof, which offers an additional sleeping area above with screen windows for the best ventilation. An ergonomic mattress ensures a good night's sleep after a long day of sightseeing. The bathroom of the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome is cleverly designed to fit in a small space. Usually included is a little wet bath, which is a waterproof area with a sink, toilet, and shower. Portable toilets or easily maintained cassette toilets are available, as are small basins and handheld showers. The simple yet useful design ensures that you stay fresh while driving by using materials that dry rapidly and are easy to clean. Considering its small size, the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome's kitchen is quite useful. A portable stove, which might be powered by a small gas burner or electric induction. A small sink with a water faucet, and an energy-efficient mini-fridge for storing goods are all included. You can keep your cookware and utensils neat and clutter-free with the cleverly designed closets and storage drawers. You may turn any rest area into your own restaurant by utilizing this kitchen to prepare everything from simple to delicious foods.